Hey everybody, Mr. G here. Just wrapping up some final thoughts for this section. Similar to the final thoughts from the previous section, just highlighting the overall structure of files while we kind of work through these basic ideas. So first of all, if I took notesint1.java, this is what the file looks like. We were kind of looking at that earlier because we were talking about the warning. This is what the whole file looks like. And we really only looked at this middle line, int whole number variable equals 10, but the whole file is really important to this. And I want to pull out a second example, notes double1.java looks like this, and they look very similar, where this middle piece is really the significant part that's changed. But I want you to notice how similar the first two lines of code are in both examples. Again, I'm not going to work on memorizing it right now, but there's some significant similarities between the two. First of all of the files that we work with in Java have this basic structure for the time being. So it says public class, and it has essentially just the name of the file, notesint1, notesint1, notes double one, notes double one, as the first line. But it doesn't use .java, so it doesn't say public class notesint1.java, it just uses notesint1. And then the second line is identical. Actually, I could have just copied this and pasted it here. Public static void main string args. And now that we've covered an extra kind of idea here, we could point out all these numbers highlighted in blue, public class, public static void. These are all key words. They have very particular meanings to the Java programming language, and we can't use them for anything else. So all of these things give Java some information about the file that it's reading to kind of help set everything up. Throughout the year, we're going to talk more about all of this, but for the time being, we're going to let Visual Studio Code fill in these lines automatically if we were to make a new Java file so that we can really just get into the basics of the actual programming aspect. All right, now that we've covered the information in this section, you can look at doing the initial try as the last part of your homework. So you can go into try.md to get some instructions. And again, we can do the preview. And then you can try and do the work in try.java to complete everything. All right. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day.